I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. When I'm writing on the board, someone will whistle, but then I turn around and everyone acts innocent. This drives me crazy. How can I deal with this kind of behavior? Well, I want you to rewind of maybe when you were in school, and maybe you weren't, but I know that when I was I'm sure you were in school, but when I was in school, I witnessed this a lot, and I might have even done it. So if you didn't do it, it may not relate as closely, but it was kind of fun. And I hate to admit it was kind of fun when I was a kid to see if you could kind of get the teacher to unravel a little bit. And let's face it, you do a little thing and then the teacher turns up and then you're like, and you're all sweet with your hands folded. Yeah, it's kind of kid stuff. So I can't, again, overreact to something like this. I turn around. Kid knows I have their number. If I know who's doing it, I look right at them. And I give them that eye. Remember the stink eye you got when you were a kid from the teacher? Yeah, that's what we call a non-directive cue. Whenever you can use a non-directive cue, that means no language, something that kind of lets them know, got your number, but I'm not going to get sucked into this. You may get a little more mileage out of it. If I got to pull the child aside on the way to lunch that day and say, hey, listen, there's a whistle band starting down the hall next semester, make sure you sign up or whatever. They know that you know. And they may just be able to curb it a little bit more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.